Hello everyone and welcome to Rubiks on Shareable. Please subscribe and smash like, and in this video I'm going to solve my Pyraminx timed.
So you're going to try and see what your best time is?
Yes, and this is my first time solve of the Pyraminx. Again, slowly.
Slowly. I don't know what I'm doing. But
You can do a little bit fast, but as long as it doesn't get stuck.
As long as it doesn't get stuck. Okay. But how do I'm trying to get all the colors jumbled up.
In a Pyraminx, it's very hard to do that, but it is possible. Because you also have to do a lot of the corner twists.
You have to do a lot of corner twists to make sure you don't get an easy one. Okay,
let's turn on the timer.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, now inspection. Okay, now I'm ready. So 3, 2, 1, go. And there you go. I got my first Pyraminx time of 44 seconds.
44.5. What do you know what the world record is?
No, but in my next trying to beat my old Pyraminx time, I might find out and tell.
All right, perfect, excellent, well done.
Thank you for watching the video of me doing my first Pyraminx time, and the time is rounded up to 45 seconds. Thanks for subscribing and smashing the like button. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.